খাওয়া খাওয়া যাচ্ছেন না ওটা কেউ জানো? হ্যাঁ, ইয়েস অর নো? নো বললে লজ্জার নাই, কারণ থার্ড ইয়ারে ল্যাপ্রোসিস সম্বন্ধে নাও জানতে পারো। তবে ফোর্থ ইয়ারে কমিউনিটি মেডিসিনে এক পাতা আছে কিন্তু না, কমিউনিটি মেডিসিন এক পাতা আপনাদের পরে চিনি ফেলেছি। আচ্ছা, এনিওয়েজ লেপ্রোসি is a less infectious clinical condition caused by Mycobacterium leprae. কি নাম?
Mycobacterium leprae.
Less infectious clinical condition caused by Mycobacterium leprae featuring
Skin
erythematous
infestation.
or white patches which are non-responsive or loss of sensation. তাহলে কি? White patches or erythematous patches with loss of sensation. It is very dangerous if not treated. Okay? And mainly it is the disease of peripheral nerve. Disease of peripheral nerve. But sometimes people consider it as a skin disease, but it's wrong. It's a disease of peripheral nerve manifested by or clinically presented by white patches. So white patch, as it is in skin, people think it is skin disease, but it's not skin disease. Because when peripheral nerve has been damaged, the supply of autonomic nervous system also been damaged. So autonomic nervous system is actually what is the function of autonomic nervous system?
Sympathetic, parasympathetic. Sympathetic, parasympathetic.
Sympathetic and
Parasympathetic.
good parasympathetic. Sympathetic and parasympathetic. Anyways, in our skin, mainly the hair follicles and sweat glands are supplied by autonomic
Nervous system.
So when one peripheral nerve been damaged, also autonomic nervous system has been
Damage.
So in the hair follicle and sweat gland, they become dry. Okay? They become dry, and the first thing occurs is discoloration, white patch, and second one roughness. Okay, rough. That should be rough, dry, rough, and ruling out of hairs because of damage of hair follicle. There should be no hair. White patch, loss of sensation, dry, rough. Okay, so as it is manifested or clinically present in skin, people consider it as a skin disease, but it's not a skin disease. It's a disease of peripheral
Nervous system.
because Mycobacterium leprae especially attacks nerves. Especially, Mycobacterium is a very cool organism. It hates hot temperature. Like it likes to stay and just replicate in nerve sheath. Sometimes people ask, we know tuberculosis often goes to brain, okay, and goes to so many organs, multiple organs. Why not leprosy? Leprosy hates hot environment, whereas the tuberculosis can tolerate the temperature of blood. Okay, so by bloodstream, tuberculosis goes to even into brain. So that's why we can see some brain tuberculosis. Huh? And you know what kind of tuberculosis are? Pulmonary and
Extrapulmonary.
Okay, so beyond the pulmonary region or lung, what are the regions? What are the organs that affected by tuberculosis? That means what are the extrapulmonary regions?
Liver, brain. Liver, brain.
Skin, bones,
Liver.
glands,
Intestine.
yes, intestine.
Tonsil.
That means any part of the body, including brain, might be affected by Mycobacterium
Tuberculosis.
Okay, but usually leprosy, Mycobacterium leprae affects nerve sheath. Okay, so according to manifestation, according to feature, clinical feature, we divide according to WHO criteria. WHO classification, we have two types of leprosy. Okay, PB, palsy bacillary. PB, palsy, P-A-U-S-I, palsy, bacillary, B-A-C-I-L-L-A-R. Okay, palsy bacillary and multibacillary. Multibacillary. It depends if there is 1 to 5 patches in the body. 1 to 5.
5 patches.
It is palsy bacillary. That means it's not infectious. Okay, it's not infectious. And after that, 6 to more, it is multibacillary. It is according to number of patch. 1 to 5 palsy, and 6 to more is multi.
Multibacillary.
But it depends on according to WHO criteria or WHO classification, and depending on the number of patch. But there is another important thing, that means the involvement of nerve. Involvement of nerve. If one nerve or peripheral nerve trunk affected, it is positive. More than one is multi.
Multi.
So this is the classification. Actually, in clinical feature depends on skin. Clinical feature depends on nerve involvement. Okay. So even we treat the treatment in palsy bacillary, we have 6 months multi-drug therapy. 6 months multi-drug therapy. We call it MDT. Multi-drug therapy. 6 months multi-drug therapy in palsy bacillary and 12 months MDT in multi-bacillary. Okay?
Sir, এটাতে কারা বেশি
Yes, good question. As already we know, it's less infectious. That means it's slowly growing bacterium, very slow. Tuberculosis takes to replicate. That means in binary fusion, from 1 to 2 bacterium, it takes, in case of Mycobacterium leprae, it takes 14 days. Whereas in tuberculosis, within 24 hours, it's become billion. That's why Mycobacterium tuberculosis is infectious, more infectious than
leprosy.
leprosy. And it's a very slowly growing bacterium, so it is less infectious. And if we treat on time, it might be cured. But you know, as the nerve fibers, if already damaged, it never regenerates.
Yes.
So, if there is any change in skin or if there is any change in other organs like some muscles, it will not come in previous state. That means original state. That means no recovery. Okay, no recovery from the disease state. But we can kill all bacterium by multi-drug therapy. Even the patient is cured, the complication may persist for long because of nerve damage. Okay, you know, ulcer. Most of the patient you will see is ulcerated feet. So you know, if the nerve of the leg involved, that means usually common peroneal nerve affected. So if the common peroneal nerve affected, it will cause the anesthesia of feet and posterior tibial affected, the sole of foot may be anesthesia. Okay? There will be loss of sensation. If someone lost its sensation, that means when he or she walks, he won't feel any pain in the sole. You know, as we walk, if we feel something like stones or some nails, we feel pain, and we just by reflex, we just pull out our legs. Now, in case of those people that their nerves has been damaged, so they have no sensation in the sole. So they can recognize the difference between normal way or the stones or nails. So they get injured. After getting injury, they don't recognize or they don't realize the fact that they have been injured. So they use the feet continuously. They don't bother. In that case, the injured area become ulcerated, and even because of less caring or careless, the ulcers, in the ulcers, a maggot has grown. You know maggots?
Yes.
Maggots are grown. So that become very, very bad smelling. Okay, bad smelling and necrosis of the
Skin.
muscles and other tissues. Okay, so most of the patients are suffering as a complication are ulcer. Okay, there is another complication to his face. You know, blushing. Huh? No eyebrows. Okay, less eyelashes. Some reddish. It look like inflamed skin. Okay, and thickening of ear nodules. Okay, looks like some nodules there. Okay. Okay. So usually these are the primary feature of
Leprosy.
reaction. Okay. There are two types of reaction in leprosy affected people. Number one, reversal or type 1. Reversal reaction or
Type
type
1.
1. So type 1 actually occurs during the period when there are active germs inside the body. Okay? Living germs, living mycobacterium. Living mycobacterium causes some changes in cellular level. So they cause a reaction which is called reversal reaction. After killing all germ, there will be no reversal or no type 1 reaction. But still, there will be remnants of the bacterium body. Okay? There will be remnants. And that causes secondary or type 2 reaction. Okay? The remnants of the mycobacterium causes type 2 reaction, which is called ENL. Erythrema nodosum leprosum. Erythrema nodosum leprosum. That is very painful condition with clinical features like some, there is no maybe, there is some nodules, small nodules. No. when we just touch like that, we feel some nodules. You know nodules? Booty.
Yes.
Okay? We feel some nodules. It's very painful. Now, one of the features is fever, high fever, painful body, malaise, okay, and maybe some red eyes due to high fever, okay. So, but he is suffering from mainly mixed type. But actually, it is already been completed. Now, RFT na? RFT means RFT, release from treatment. That means completed.
Relief.
Okay? Treatment completed is RFT. So, in that case, we can imagine or we can say it's not reversal. As is already completed the treatment, so the reaction should be type 2. Okay? Type 2 reaction is E and L. Actually, he is under treatment, so I didn't feel any nodule. Okay? I don't feel any. Namaskar. Namaskar. This old lady is been suffering from mycobacterium leprosy infection like 50 or 60 years now. Okay? So actually, she is suffering from the complication of leprosy, not leprosy. Mind it. She is already cured from leprosy. But as already I have told you that even they are cured, but the complication still persists because of damage of
Nervous.
nerve sheaths. Okay, so nerve regeneration is impossible. So the complication still remains. You know, she has visible one, claw. Okay, claw and wasting of
Muscle.
muscle. Thinner, hypothenor.
And
Okay,
hypothenar.
no thinner muscle, no hypothenor muscle. That means total the muscle has been atrophied. Okay, so in that case, as a result of radial and median nerve injury, she has this claw. Okay, still she can move the wrist. Okay, that means still the extensor compartment, which is supplied by radial nerve, is intact. If she had any injury in the radial nerve, even she could not move. That means it's a wrist drop. It's so called
Wrist
wrist
drop.
drop, but it's only claw. That means ulnar and median claw. So if you see the dermatome, you know, dermatome it divides medial 2 fingers, lateral
Lateral
3
3.
fingers and half. Okay.
Yes.
In dermatome, the medial half is supplied by ulnar
Ulnar
nerve.
nerve.
The lateral supplied by median nerve.
Median.
And the dorsum and the extensor compartment is supplied by radial nerve. So, she has an intact radial nerve, but still ulnar and median nerve.
Carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome.
Carpal tunnel syndrome is a little different. Okay, I will explain. But right now, she has 2 types of claw, ulnar claw and median claw. Okay, so it becomes like that. It's called cat's paw. Okay, it's a cat's paw. Oh. If she had any damage in the radial nerve, maybe she could not move, but now she can. So it's not drop, only ulnar and median claw. And the carpal tunnel syndrome. Actually, it's a carpal tunnel syndrome is a inflammation of the carpal tunnel. That means the reticular ligament of the wrist. Okay, so which prepares the flexor pulley as flexor pulley. It acts like pulley. There is a carpal tunnel. Okay, it acts as the flexor pulley. So if there is any inflammation in the nerve and the pulley or the reticular fibers, okay, so it becomes inflamed and the severe pain occurs. And when it is an inflammation, there should be some effect on the nerves. In that case, the patient experience pain. But in that time, we should control the inflammation and release the flexor tunnel. Okay. In that case, just we cut the flexor tunnel or what was it? Carpal tunnel. Okay. So, but it is due to infection of radial, ulnar and median nerve. It is a high variety, high area. It is a low variety. It's a high variety. And there is another important thing she is suffering from is lag ophthalmos. You know what I said? Unable to close the eyes. Okay, it occurs due to damage of oculomotor nerve and facial nerve. Okay, facial nerve and oculomotor nerve.
Insomnia.
And there is another important thing I said: the absorption of limbs. You know, so it's a long time. So no proper oxygen supply become ischemic, and chronic ischemia causes absorption of. Yes, last time we have eye care procedures. We give them some black sunglasses and some pads, iPads. Or if there is no pads or no glasses, sometimes they buy themselves some clean gamcha, what is it? Okay, just put. As they cannot close, but they can sleep.
Sir, doesn't that cause dryness of eyeball?
Yes, there should be dryness of eyebrow.
Eye drop.
Okay, what are the nerve supplies of eyeball?
Oculomotor nerve.
There is one theory, a small theory means the formula. SO4, someone trying to say, okay, SO4, LR6, all are
All are
3.
All are 3.
No? SO4, LR6, all are 3.
All are 3.
So, when they get damaged, there will be some problem in movement and the movement of the muscles. Okay, so there should be some problem when the nerve get damaged. There is nothing about it. And another thing I said, maybe you saw in that man, and ruling out of eyebrows is important. It is a late complication. Okay, they don't have much. Hello. Okay. That mycobacterium tuberculosis sprays. Okay. That is droplets.
কারা বেশি এটাতে
কিতা বেশি?
রিস্ক জোনের কারা বেশি লেপ্রোসি
রিস্ক হচ্ছে মেইনলি রিস্ক ফ্যাক্টর হচ্ছে ইমিউনো কম্প্রোমাইজড। That means the people have less immunity, and as a result, okay, is there anyone from North Bengal?
North Bengal.
No one. Okay. There was a very indecent word in our country, monga. Did you hear monga? No. It is usual. This word has been eradicated from Bangladesh like 15 to 20 years. Monga is chronic food crisis. Actually, it happened in North Bengal. There were not much growing crops. There were a very lack of foods. They didn't have some work to do, no income, no food. Okay, but right now the North Bengal become very rich. So there is no such word called monga. Monga is chronic deficiency of food. So what is difference between monga and hunger? What we said, acute food crisis is durbikho. Okay, acute food crisis, durbikho. Not only food crisis, there will be some diseases or so many disaster like so many deaths
Diarrhea.
occurs. So it's a disaster. But in case of monga, they do not die of hunger, but they lost their immunity power. In that case, actually, they are very vulnerable, that they get easily infected by Mycobacterium leprae. Okay?
Thank you.
Actually.